An introduction to fractions. If you have ever used a tape measure to measure things, you're probably familiar with the concept of fractions. Fractions are used to represent numbers that are not whole numbers, and they can be used instead of decimals. The fraction is separated into two parts, the numerator and the denominator. A simple way to remember which is which is the resemblance with the word down, denominator, down. There are also three types of fractions: the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed fraction. And they all serve different purposes. Let's start with the proper fraction. This is the most common one. A proper fraction occurs when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And the mixed fraction, well, it's a mix of both. Let me explain using pies. Here you have 3 pies plus a half-eaten one. You can write this in two different ways, either as 3½ or as 7 halves. 3½ is a mixed fraction, while 7 halves is an improper fraction. Quite simple, isn't it? But how do you convert mixed to improper fractions? In short, it's just one multiplication and one addition. You multiply the whole number by the bottom, and you add the top. So in this example, 8 3/4, you just do 8 times 4 plus 3, which equals 35. And here's how you convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. In this example, we have 27/2. The first step is to ask yourself, how many times does 2 fit inside of 27? This is to check what our whole number is going to be. The answer in this case is 13, so 13 is our whole number. And what is left? 1. So, there you have it. The answer to our conversion is 27/2 equals 13½. And that was your intro to fractions. Thanks for watching.